Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always being here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sweet, sour and sticky chicken wings. First, I start by separating the drum from the wing. That's what I'm starting by doing. I should remove the outer part of that wing, but I'd say that I'm not going to remove it. So this economy of cassava. The videographer was everywhere, so kindly bear with the shaking of the video. After that, I'm going to wash them with some vinegar. Remove all the dirt. I believe chicken is the most dirt in this world. Yeah, I know you guys are going to convince me, oh, this is blood, this is not dirt. Me, I'm not going to be convinced. For me, I know it's dirt and it must be cleaned with vinegar and some water. And also to remove any germs and such things. And also to help with the smell. After that, I rinse everything off. And you can see the way they are clean. And that's how I love my wings. After that, I'm going to dry them off. I just putting them on a piece of kitchen towel, and then taking another kitchen towel and pressing them down. the paste. Our paste, our match made in heaven. Some mixed spices. Some curry powder. Some paprika. Some lemon. Then it was time to mix everything up. After mixing everything up, that is the result we got. You can see that it was beautiful. It was already delicious. I kept it in the fridge for only 30 minutes because I was in a hurry. And now this is me arranging the chicken wings on a rack.
night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
And then I baked them for 15 minutes, alternating in minutes.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Because I forgot to buy ketchup, then some honey. And then I mixed everything. And then I added my chickens to the sauce. And then I mixed everything up. I served the wings with some roasted potatoes, potatoes. I'm already hungry editing this video. I shot this video about 3 months ago, and I'm editing it on the 19th of December. A video that was made in September. And it was delicious. this week's video, please consider subscribing, consider liking this video, consider sharing it with your friends, and leave comments down in the comment section. And I'll see you on the next one.